These works of art look lifelike, but would you ever imagine that they are all folded out of paper?
The theme of these origami artworks is inspired from our homeland, Hong Kong, including the wild bull, turtle, and fiddler crab. Everyone may know the Hong Kong wetland when I mention them. These origami can represent Hong Kong because all these artworks start from a piece of paper. After different folding methods, they become an artwork. Just like Hong Kong, it faced different challenges in the past 25 years when it returned to the motherland. However, we have a brilliant situation now. The phoenix, for example, means rebirth from nirvana, like Hong Kong going through years of challenges, and then afterwards it can be reborn into a new era.
This is Poi Poi, the saltwater crocodile. Cade explained he chose Poi Poi because the reptile caused a sensation when it appeared in Hong Kong back in 2003. It is something that is part of the collective memory of the city. Cade pointed out that the shadow effects of a piece of paper are not in focus, even if it is folded in many layers. So he needed to paint the edges to increase the sense of three-dimensionality and layering. It also makes the origami look more like a sculpture and less like paper. Cade remembered encountering a folding dragon made by a Japanese origami master when he was 12 years old. That is when his life with origami began. Over the past 17 years, Cade has turned his hobby into art. Now he takes pieces of paper and makes them into something special.
I not only focus on how to fold the paper, I also need to do research. Then I highlight some lines on the paper according to the ratio and note which parts need to fold. The most challenging part is how to make the artwork from paper. Many overlapping parts will become thicker and more difficult to fold, or even be broken easily. I need to consider all this carefully. I usually use 2 to 3 weeks for study and actually take a few hours for folding. That is why we say 70% of the time for preparation work and the rest of the 30% for making the piece.
To celebrate the 25th anniversary of the establishment of the Hong Kong Special Administrative Region, the Central and Western District Office invited Cade to hold an exhibition called Celebrating Peace and Prosperity in Hong Kong Through Paper Folding. The exhibition runs from now until July 10th at Level 1 of Pacific Place in Admiralty.